To filter and or sort records within your table, go ahead and click on any drop-down arrow, and for the essential oils, I don't want to see all the records, just those that have cinnamon and clove. Christmas smells. Go ahead and click Okie dokie, and hey, there you go. And notice that next to the drop-down arrow, it's got a funnel. It's to let you know that you're not seeing all the records and it's being filtered by the essential oils. So that way, if you're looking at this and going, oh, I guess that's all I've got for selling our products, you want to make sure that you look up here on any one of these arrows to verify that none of them have a little funnel to show you that, hey, if it does and you want to see all the records, go ahead and change it back to all. Before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at this. As you recall in an earlier training video, we added our totals row, and this did the average for the price column. So there's the average between the two, and if you want to verify it, click on the drop down arrow and you can see that average is highlighted. Let me hit the escape key and let's go to in stock, click on the drop down arrow, and it's adding up or summing up the range there. Let me hit the escape key, and then to go ahead and unfilter this, click on the one that has the filter, the drop down arrow, and select all, click OK, and there you go. You can also do multiple filters, like let's do it for category, uncheck all, and do it for antibacterial and anti-cancer, click OK. And then between the two, let's say we want the price less than $30. So we can go down to number filters and go to less than, and it's less than 30, hit enter, and it's cinnamon. Let's go ahead and clear these filters out by clicking on the drop down arrow and choosing all, clicking on this one and choosing all, and we're back to where we started. Now for sorting, you can click on the drop down arrow, and well, by default it looks like it's sorted A to Z, but you can go the other way, Z to A, and it flips it. And you can see the little arrow that's pointing down next to the, well, the triangle that's turning down there. So it's sorted descendingly. If you click on it and go ascendingly, it flips back up, and then you got the arrow. If you don't want to see the arrow, well, you can click on the drop down triangle here and go to sort by color and do a custom sort. And you can see it's right there. Just delete it, click OK, it gets rid of it. It doesn't remove the sort, it just gets rid of the arrow, which brings up a good point. If I flip this and go descending, and you got the arrow pointing down, click on the drop down arrow to sort, to custom sort, delete it, click OK. It doesn't flip it back, does it? It just removes the sort and leaves it where it's at. So keep that in mind. So let's go back to A to Z and click on the drop down arrow, do sort, custom sort. And in addition to that sort, I can add another level and say, okay, after you're done sorting the essential oils, then go ahead and sort by another field here. And the purpose behind that is that once it sorts by essential oils, and if it has duplicates, like I've got 3 cinnamons but in different categories, then once it does the first sort and it groups all the cinnamons together, and the second sort, or then by, is categories, and we have an antibacterial, antiparasitic, and let's see, anti-cancer, it'll sort that out. So let's see, B comes before C, so it would be B, C, and then P, the last one there. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. Now this is very simplistic for the table. You can also do this in a normal data range, which I'll show you in a later training video. And what you learn in that, which is going to be the basics here, but also something more in depth and advanced, you can apply it here to your table. So you want to make sure that you watch the other training videos on filtering and also sorting. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.